Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to our hotel. How can I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation for a room here. My name is John Williams.
Let me check that for you. Can I please have your ID or passport to confirm your booking?
Sure, here's my passport.
Thank you, Mr. Williams. Let me quickly find your reservation. Here it is. You've booked a room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. I'll be staying for 2 nights.
Great. You've booked a standard room with a queen-size bed. Would you like to add breakfast to your stay? We offer a breakfast buffet from 7 to 10 a.m.
Yes, that sounds nice. How much does it cost?
The breakfast is $15 per day, so for 2 days, it will be $30.
Okay, I'll add that. I'd love to try the breakfast.
Perfect. I'll add that to your booking. So your total stay will include the room for 2 nights and breakfast for 2 mornings.
Great, thank you. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m. on the day of your departure. If you need a late checkout, just let us know and we can arrange that for you depending on availability.
All right, I'll keep that in mind.
Now let me give you your room key. You are in room 305 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. Is there an elevator or should I take the stairs?
Yes, we have an elevator just down the hall to your left. You can take the elevator up to the 3rd floor. Once you exit the elevator, turn right, and your room will be on the left side.
Thanks for the directions. Is there anything I need to know about the room?
Your room comes with free Wi-Fi. The password is printed on the welcome card inside your room. We also provide complimentary bottled water, coffee, and tea. There's a kettle in the room if you'd like to make yourself a hot drink.
That sounds nice. I could use some tea after my long trip.
We also have room service if you'd like to order any food or drinks. There's a menu in the room, and you can call the front desk or dial the kitchen directly using the phone in your room.
I'll keep that in mind. Is the restaurant open in the evening?
Yes, our restaurant is open from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. We serve a variety of dishes, including local specialities. If you'd like, you can make a reservation, but walk-ins are welcome as well.
That sounds great. I might go there for dinner later.
Wonderful. Just let us know if you need anything else. We're here 24/7, so feel free to call or visit the front desk at any time.
Thank you for all the information. It sounds like I'll have a comfortable stay.
We hope so. Before you head to your room, do you need any help with your luggage?
No, I've just got one suitcase and I can manage it myself.
All right then. If you need anything during your stay, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to make your stay as pleasant as possible.
Thank you very much. I'll head to my room now.
The guest leaves for the room. The next morning, he comes back to the reception desk.
Good morning, Mr. Williams. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I just wanted to ask about the breakfast. Is it in the restaurant?
Yes, the breakfast buffet is served in the restaurant on the ground floor. You can head there anytime between 7 and 10 a.m.
Great, thank you. And do I need to bring anything with me?
No need. Just go to the restaurant and they'll know you're a guest.
Perfect. Also, I was wondering if you could recommend some places to visit nearby. I have some free time this afternoon.
Of course. We have a few attractions close by. There's the city park, which is great for a walk, and a local museum just 10 minutes away by foot. If you like shopping, the main shopping street is also nearby.
That sounds interesting. I might check out the museum. Is there an entrance fee?
Yes, there is a small fee, about $10, but it's worth it. The museum has some great exhibits about the local history and culture.
That sounds like something I'd enjoy. I'll plan to go there after breakfast.
If you need a map or directions, just let me know. We have maps at the front desk.
Thank you. I'll probably need a map to make sure I don't get lost.
I'll grab one for you. Here it is. The museum is marked on the map, and you can easily walk there from the hotel.
Thank you so much for your help. I'm looking forward to exploring the area.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit and let us know if you need any further assistance.
Thank you for watching. If you think this video was helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us make more useful content for learning English. See you in the next video.